A parallel beam of fast-moving electrons is incident normally on a narrow slit. A fluorescent screen is placed at a large distance from the slit. If the speed of the electrons is increased, which of the following statements is correct? Let us first find which of the following statement is correct and later discuss why the others are incorrect. We know that the diffraction pattern observed in this case, is due to the wave-like nature of the electrons, which is described by de Broglie's wavelength given by lambda is equal to h by mv, where lambda is de Broglie wavelength of electrons, h is the Planck's constant, m is the mass of the electron, and v is the velocity of the electron. For a single slit of width a, the angular width of the central maximum is given by delta theta is equal to 2 lambda by a. Here delta theta is directly proportional to wavelength. Increasing the speed v of the electron decreases their de Broglie wavelength lambda. As the wavelength decreases, the angular width delta theta also decreases. Thus we can conclude when the speed of the electrons is increased, the angular width of the central maximum decreases, and this is due to the reduction in de Broglie wavelength of electrons. So the correct answer could be option B. Let us check option A. The angular width of the central maximum of the diffraction pattern will increase. This is incorrect because the angular width of the central maximum is proportional to de Broglie wavelength, which is given by delta theta is equal to 2 lambda by A. As the speed of the electrons increase, de Broglie wavelength decreased. So smaller wavelength results in smaller delta theta. So the angular width decreases and not increases. Let us see option C, why it is incorrect, because the angular width here depends on the de Broglie wavelength, which is inversely proportional to the speed of the electrons. It is given by delta theta is equal to 2 lambda by A. Since increasing the electron speed again decreases the wavelength, the angular width must change. Let's check option D. It is incorrect because diffraction patterns arise because of the wave nature of the particles. Electrons exhibit wave-like behavior as demonstrated in experiments like the Davison-Germer experiment and electron diffraction through slits. Therefore, diffraction pattern is observed. So, the only correct statement is that the angular width of central maximum will decrease.